My name is Tamer Nadeem. I'm a professor of computer science here at VCU. My research mainly is on next generation wireless network, cybersecurity, edge systems, with emphasis on more on AI-driven cyber physical systems like human robotic collaboration, smart health, intelligent transportation. For the project we work on, we develop a certain sensor that is attached to any wheel-based device. And basically, we looked at in the hospital domains so that, like, if you're pushing someone in a wheelchair or on a table or something like that, it tracked the movement and tracked the location of that item so that it helped for maybe assess locational management and also to track where the devices are and track all these patients with these things. And we are looking forward to really to deploy it in the cities for wheelchairs or even anything like scooters or bicycles, so that it has a lot of applications.